You might not want to hear this, but Samsung may have delayed the One UI 8 update on purpose. And no, this isn't just another conspiracy. It's the same playbook they used last year. Just after launching the Galaxy S25 series, millions expected an instant One UI 8 rollout, but it didn't happen. Why? Well, word on the street is Samsung stalling the update to push more people toward their shiny new foldables. It's a bold strategy. Launch the latest software on expensive futuristic devices first and make everyone else wait. But here's the kicker. You don't have to wait, especially if you own or are eyeing the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The software update is coming sooner than you think, and it's packed with enough features to make your current device feel outdated. Let's talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're holding this beast of a device, you're in luck. Samsung officially confirmed that One UI 8 will start rolling out to the entire S25 lineup in September. That means in just a few weeks, every Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Edge, and yes, the mighty S25 Ultra will receive the full stable version of One UI 8. No beta, no limited regions, just the clean, feature-rich, fully optimized update. And if you're rocking the S25 Ultra, expect to be one of the first in the world to get it. But let's rewind for a second. Why did Samsung hold it back in the first place? One UI 8 is already live on the Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE. These foldables come pre-installed with Android 16 plus One UI 8. That's not a coincidence. Samsung's betting big on the foldable segment this year. Every delay, every rollout phase, it's strategic. But while that move makes sense from a business standpoint, Galaxy S25 Ultra users shouldn't have to wait long, and the September release gives them a solid lead ahead of older models. Now, if you're really impatient and want early access, there's the One UI 8 beta. But here's the catch. It's only available on Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, and only in select countries: Germany, India, Poland, South Korea, the UK, and the US. And even then, the Edge model is excluded from beta, making the S25 Ultra an even stronger candidate for early access. Samsung is currently testing the fifth and likely final beta version of One UI 8. Once that wraps up, the floodgates open. And if you're on the S25 Ultra, you're right at the front of the line. Still thinking of switching devices just to get the update faster? Let's break it down. Buy a Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Flip 7? Sure, you'll get One UI 8 instant, but that comes with a whole new form factor and a heavy price tag. Wait for the Galaxy S25 FE? Yes, it'll launch with One UI 8 in late September, but it's a step down in raw performance and premium features compared to the Ultra. Pick up a certified renewed Galaxy S24 Ultra. You'll get beta access on August 11th, but no guaranteed stable rollout until October. So what's the smartest move? Stick with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's not just the first to receive the official update, it's also optimized to run it at its absolute best. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, the advanced cooling, the massive battery, all of it combines for a buttery smooth One UI 8 experience. And don't forget, Samsung is giving S25 Ultra owners access to long-term software support, including Android 16, 17, 18, and 19, plus 5 years of security patches. So you're not just getting One UI 8 early, you're future-proofing your device. So yes, Samsung may have delayed the broader rollout of One UI 8 to boost foldable sales. But don't fall for the trap. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is still the flagship of the future, and in just a few weeks, it'll be running One UI 8 with all the glory it deserves. Skip the gimmicks. Skip the beta waiting lists. If you've got the S25 Ultra, your upgrade is around the corner, and it's going to be a game changer. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my deep dive on One UI 8 features once the rollout hits the S25 Ultra. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming.